Hi everybody, Steve Kanjar here at our latest listing brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate in Niagara, Peak Performers Realty and Team Moving Niagara. Today, we're in the beautiful town of Fort Erie at 563 Ferndale. This 1.5 story has 2 bedrooms on the main floor, 1 upstairs, a master suite upstairs as well, and a bath downstairs. And there's one particular bonus. Let's go check it out outside. Okay, here we are. We're in the backyard of 563 Ferndale. That's the back of the house, and if you follow me along, we have this. The lot goes all the way down to Scott Street, and on Scott Street there, we can actually have a potential of a severance, a 40 by 113 lot off the back of the house that would face Scott. So there's our little bonus. Either have a massive backyard, or you can look to develop it. Let's have another look inside.